What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Chris. This is PNW RC Madness, and today I got a video unboxing on this brand new Turnigy 8400 milliamp battery. So let's open up the box. Okay guys, today we're at Tacoma RC Raceway, so it's a little bit different content than you guys are used to with my Traxxas XRTs and X Maxes. And actually, I've been running those both X batteries and the Rapids, but today we're going to be running these 8.4 volt Rapids. Check those out. Check it out. Has a nice plastic wrap around it. Let's go ahead and plug it in. All right, there we go. Got it plugged in. Look at those numbers, nice and close. See if we can find the internal resistance. There we go. There's the IR, 2.9 and 3.2. Not as quite as low as the other batteries, but let's let's turn it on, charge it up, and see how it goes. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and charge her up. 8400 milliamp. Charge it at 1.4C. Why not? Start. Let's go. All right, let's go ahead and check on it, guys. We are halfway done, I'd say. Let's go ahead and see what the status is. There's the IR right there, 2.6 and 3.7. Not quite as good as some of the other batteries, but still not done. So let's keep charging her up. And while we're at it, we're going to go ahead and run this fully charged rapid pack. Let's go. All right. We also got the GPM fan mounted up on my Tekno SCT410. Guys, you can find these on my website as well. Check this out, guys. We got everything all wired up. Let's turn it on and hit the track. All right, there it is, going down. We'll be back. All finished up. That's what it took, 4,039 milliamp, because it does charge at 30%. All right, here we go. Going in the SCT410 2.0. Fits like a glove. There we go. All right, guys, we got major runtime with this battery pack. Let's take it back and see how it feels. Okay, here is the test. As the battery is not, well, it's a little bit warm. Not bad. Not anything abnormal. Check out this one right here, guys. This is another Rapid we just finished charging up. Let's see what we got for an IR right there.